Hey everyone, welcome to another video and welcome to dubventures. Guys, we're on the NC 500 road trip in winter. So excited. We've got Scott and Conrad there in their vans getting ready because we've stayed at the first campsite at Trossachs Holiday Park in Loch Ness. If you've not seen that video, check out the last video and you'll see about the journey up here and why we've stayed here and everything. Now today we're going over to Loch Ness and we're wild camping, so let's get on the road and we'll tell you more about it. Just pulled over because Thor had to just go for a little wander just to have a toilet break, so just having a look. We've been through a lot of puddles, so sort of like Conrad's a bit concerned because his van's been lowered, that he's been kicking like a load of water up and everything, so...
What happens when you drive a jet ski?
Everything okay?
Yeah, all good. Yeah, I thought I hit something, but it must have been...
it's probably the water as you're going through and it's like flicking everything up.
It was quite tight. There's an oncoming traffic and then all of a sudden I heard a bang. And I thought it was a sidebar I just got hit with, but...
Right. But the thing is, obviously, as you can see, Conrad's van is quite low, so, and like I say, there's a lot of puddles and...
Yeah.
It, you know, it could be something.
Surface, I don't know, but it's all good now, all good.
That's all you, Scott. You've got a problem? Really? So guys, as Scott's just said, little bit of an issue. Scott just noticed that his van was driving a little bit different, and to be fair, you actually heard something because
heard a bang.
He's mechanically, he knows what he's doing. And if we just have a quick look here, try and get the camera under there.
So what you got under there is the main shock.
His shock absorber has actually
Pop the bolt out.
Yeah.
Under the back. I don't know if you can get that on camera, but the shock was pop the.
Yeah, the shock absorber is there and it should be like a bit further up. Now we've had a look at it and it just seems like the bolt has come out, but it's took the bush with it. Yeah. Now here's the thing.
And I know roughly where it is.
Yeah, he knows what happened because he actually felt it. So what we're going to do is, we've just parked up here. We're going to go in Conrad's van because it's going to be easy just to go in one van. And
we'll go in one van and just
see if we can find the bolt, and then
at
least we've got the bolt, and then we can work.
And the bush is bright orange.
So right. Oh well, right. Okay, let's go and see if we can sort this out. You know what, guys? We know it's a long shot looking for this, but it will make such a difference if we can actually find it. Now Scott's just been saying that it's going to be fine even if it's just like still starting the leaf spring, but obviously the shock absorber is better to have it on, and we just need this bush. So right, so as we said, couldn't find anything, and the thing is, because it's Sunday, he's just been into a garage, actually the workshop, it was open, but they can't do anything. So because we're not sat on the leaf springs, we basically said that we're going to carry on, take it easy, and then over the next sort of like day or so, you know, see if we can get like a replacement or something.
On the upside.
On the upside?
It's got secondary dampers in it, shocks in it, super sumo springs are in it.
That's something
which will take the load up. That'll take the load up, which is a huge damping system. That takes away the load off the shock.
Right.
So running on those will be perfectly safe.
So guys, Scott is like actually mechanically minded. He's done a lot of the build himself, well, most of the build himself on his camper van, and with the suspension in that, he does know what he's talking about. So if he says it's good to go, it's good to go. Just pulled over, guys. We've just got to check this view out.
Yeah.
What do you think, Conrad? Do you like it?
I'm loving it.
Yes.
It's just amazing. Now we're all gonna know why you call it amazing, because that's what it is.
Exactly.
There's no words to describe.
Exactly. Guys, if you get opportunity to do things like this, come to Scotland, come and explore, come and see the different things, you know, that you can go. pulled over for a second, just have a bit of a rest, and just look at that, amazing. How's it going then with the fact that your shock absorbs like that? Is it all good or?
Yeah, smooth. I just readjusted everything. It's totally fine.
Okay.
Yeah, it's all good.
Good.
Talkies aren't bad. That's a nice profile on the left.
I've said it many times before about pulling points, guys. Check this out. So we've decided, because we're parked here, we're still a couple of hours away from Loch Ness. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to make something to eat here, so everybody's getting everything ready. So time for some food. Just having a quick sandwich, guys. Just something, you know, before we have some proper food tonight, isn't it? So I'm also having some biscuits. So
we said proper food, but we're having a pizza tonight again. We're in the Highlands! Woo! So excited!
Just pulled over, guys, I've seen another pulling point and there's a waterfall there, hopefully you can see that.
And we're just going to fill up on the fuel before we carry on and head to Loch Ness.
So it's just gone sort of like where we needed fuel, so I'm guessing about 120, 130 pound maybe. So
yeah, about 130.
Yeah, that's what we're guessing. Everyone else is getting some fuel as well. Okay, we've just gone past 100. 110.
Oh, it's still going.
Still going, still going. 120.
Hey,
132.
I said over 130.
Okay.
Winner!
Yeah. This is the only fuel station we've been to since we've set off, so do you know what? That's why I had a rough idea of how much it's going to be, so it wasn't that much. Let's see how much Scott actually put in. How much did you put in, Scott? There we go. How much did you put in?
Well, plus the other, so it's about 126.
Alright, okay, not far for us.
Yeah.
You had half a tank though, didn't you?
Yeah, so less than a half, but $100
Because you siphoned mine last night.
Oh, here we go. I'm not going into that. So let's get going. So we've just pulled over again on our way because we're going to take Thor for a quick walk because we're going to be on the road for another couple of hours, aren't we? And then obviously we need to go and find the wild camping spots. So just thought we'd have a quick look around here. this is home for the night. We've found the place that we're staying tonight. But I'll have to show you that in the morning because it's quite late and you can't really see anything. But for now, we're going to do some cooking. Let's do some cooking. Morning to everybody.
Good morning.
How are you finding it? Everything good?
Absolutely fabulous. It's a
Conrad's
paradise.
been for a swim this morning.
I can't tell what he's saying.
It's amazing.
Right, we don't need that. That's
We all
early in the
need it.
morning.
It's
Amazing.
amazing.
Come on, guys, look at the view. It says it all. Do you know what I mean? Ah, it's demonstrated by everybody. So,
Everybody feels like singing.
I know. Do you know what? That's just how it makes you feel when you're in a place like this. I mean, just look at the view that we've woke up to.
Unbelievable.
I know. We've got so many things to do today. That's why we're up early. You know, we're on it today. It's not raining so far, so hopefully it stays like this because there's a lot of places to see today. So we've got so much more travel coming up, and everybody needs to hit that subscribe button. What do they need to do? Hit the
Subscribe button
There we go.
and click the notification bell.
Exactly. Anything else?
I like.
Plenty of likes.
There we go. Do you know what? Seriously, we've got so much exciting travel coming up. We know the places that we're going to. We can't wait, and you guys are invited along, so hit that subscribe button. It's free, guys, and you get notified every time that we put a video on, so do it. You done it? You done it? Did they do it? I think they just did it. Yeah, we heard it, so right. Brooke, anything to say?